Everyone loves pakora thanks to Fizza's creativity. Now you can have pakora without deep frying.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are chickpea flour half cup, bicarbonated soda quarter teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, red chili 1 teaspoon, dried fenugreek leaves 2 tablespoon, onion 1 small, cumin powder half teaspoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, caraway seed powder half teaspoon, and green chilies 1 small. We need water to make the paste. Now I will make the paste. Add all the dry ingredients, spices, add water. After making a smooth paste like this, add onion and green chilies. Heat up your waffle maker on maximum heat. Then spray oil in it. Pour your mixture and spread on it like this. Now close the lid. After 3 minutes, it's ready to serve.